Fast boiling with 1500 watts, this electric gooseneck kettle boils up to 1.2 liters of water fast. Make a quick, hot cup of tea or instant coffee anytime without the long wait, great for hectic mornings. Precision pouring. The slender gooseneck spout on the Hamilton Beach electric kettle gives you full control when pouring hot water in teacups, travel mugs, or any beverage container and is perfect for crafting pour-over coffee. Peace of mind with auto shutoff, boil dry protection, and indicator light. The stainless steel kettle has auto shutoff and boil dry to protect against scorching. The indicator light illuminates when the kettle is on. Convenient cord-free serving. The stainless steel electric kettle lifts off the base to serve hot water at the table or anywhere you're serving hot beverages or need boiling water. Perfect for adding hot water to soups or to the bowl when making recipes. Makes enough boiling water for multiple servings. The electric kettle holds 1.2 liters of water, enough for multiple servings. Tea? Hot chocolate? Instant soup? If you have a taste for it, the Hamilton Beach 1.2 liters stainless steel gooseneck pour-over electric hot water kettle, boiler and tea heater with auto shutoff and boil dry protection can have it ready in minutes. The powerful rapid boil system provides fast heat up from any standard outlet and the auto shutoff function helps keep kettles from boiling dry. Top reviews from the United States. Great kettle for pour-overs. I was lucky enough to get this on sale for $25, which is definitely worth every penny at this price point. Had it for a few months now and it's been performing as expected. It has got a sleek body and a nicely shaped spout perfect for controlling the flow rate for delicate pours like pour-over coffee. The handle is plastic but it is sturdy and the lid easily snaps on and off. The base has same rubber legs that prevent slippage and the kettle connects to the base without any hassle. There is only one switch that turns it on and it takes roughly 4 minutes for a full tank, 1.2 liters, of cold water to come to a boil, measured to be closer to 96-98 C. Of note, fingerprints and water drop marks the outside stainless steel body and make it slightly hard to clean, as well as the narrow top. My arm does not fit inside so my best bet is to swish descaler around or use a long brush to clean the calcium inside once in a while.